A customer came in with the complaint that the turn signal is not working, so I diagnosed the issue. It has too much blinker fluid in there, so let me go ahead and take it out. Pull the bulbs out. Look at that. Too much blinker fluid is never good. Look at that. All that stuff in there floating around. And they put the wrong blinker fluid in there. They put clear blinker fluid. It should be amber for turn signal. Yeah, definitely not good. Look at that. It's supposed to put about 2 ounces of blinker fluid. If you put too much, it doesn't work. So I'm going to drain it and refill it properly. Alright, so I refilled it with 2 ounces of premium synthetic blinker fluid. And let's see if it works. Look at that. It's working great. Let's try the lights. It's beautiful. So folks, do not put too much blinker fluid in your car or it's not going to work. So I'm going to have a happy customer. Just got to put the clips back in. And she's done.